ஆரம்பித்தோம். நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் பார்த்தோம். யூனிக்கான எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சு, நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் ஃபீடும் பண்ணோம். சூப்பராக இருந்துச்சு இந்த இடம். இங்கே இருக்கலாம் போல இருக்கு. ஃபேவரட் பார்ட் இஸ் சீயிங் அபவுட் தி பேர்ட்ஸ். இட்ஸ் மிமிக்ரி. Yes ma'am, we enjoy much ma'am. We see pythons and more. Super nice biryani ma'am. Parrots and pythons. It's my favorite bit.
Good evening to one and all present here, and it was an awesome experience. And I think we teachers didn't see a place like this because full of a pleasant place, such a wonderful place, and we enjoyed it completely. Not only teachers, and as with students also, they enjoyed completely. And usually we people used to get scared to touch the snake and some animals and all because we saw many things which we didn't see. So we touched the python, everything, and it's a very nice experience. And it was awesome food, really nice biryani, a nice chili chicken, and hospitality is wonderful. So for that, teachers, please give one clap for the hospitality. So it's really awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You were wonderful children.
I like the rain dance and the ostriches were so nice, and the food was very nice, and I love the zip line, the trampoline, the games. I love all the animals. I like the parrot mimicries us, so I love it.
Ma'am, actually we want to first thank to the PN form, especially the Mrs. Prakash Natraj. You supported from morning till. So we are very, very happy, and we are really utilized the day today here. We experience lot of things. See, in 4th standard, they are learning about the animal adaptation. Actually, the term 1, this is the first lesson for them in science. Actually, this is the worthiest place for everything, and the food, hospitality, then everything, ma'am. The care, everything which one you provided with us, very, very, we are actually thanks for you for that. On behalf of NBIS, we are thanking you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. As a Malayali, I'm from Kerala. ഞാൻ അടുത്ത് തന്നെ എന്റെ ഫാമിലി ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരാൻ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. I'm planning to come with my family also. ഈ സ്ഥലം ഒരുപാട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു.
ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ ഏറ്റവും കണ്ടത് നിങ്ങളുടെ കോർഡിനേഷൻ ആണ്. നല്ലപോലെ എല്ലാവരും കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കുട്ടികളെ ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് എൻഗേജ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതെനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമായി. നല്ലതാണ്, അടിപൊളി.